Hey everyone, so check this out. License plate holder from Hanshow. You might be asking, well, why do I need a license plate holder, right? Tesla gives me one. I just stick it on the front of my car. Well, the problem is you don't just stick the license plate on the front of a Tesla. What do you have to do with a Tesla? You've got to screw it into the front end of the car. The whole front bumper, you end up with giant screw holes. I'm not in the giant screw holes. As you can see, look, I never put them in. Well, guess what else? We have laws. We have laws in a lot of states that say this plate's got to be on the front of your car. And I might not have been obeying all of those laws, okay? Let's just say that I'm fine now, all right? Now I'm fine. Why? Because we've got this license plate holder that, now watch this. Goes like this. Check that out. Did you see that install? Look at how fast that was. And look, this sucker's not going anywhere. Just like that, I've got a front plate on my car and no holes. No holes. See that? See that gap? That means no holes. And look, that's not going to get pushed into the car either. No problem. So yeah, I should have had one of these a while ago. I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm glad they sent one over to me. Now, check out this other feature. You might be thinking, well, Mark, you just put that thing on and look, you want to take it off? You just turn a few screws, boom, comes right off, all right? Now you might be thinking, well, if it comes off that easy, what's to keep anyone else from taking it off? This lock and this key, that's what. Watch. Put it back on. Tighten it up, all good to go. Now, check it out. Can't turn it. Locked in. It's really locked in. Locked in because it's not going anywhere. Locked in because, you know, it's got a lock. All right? That's awesome. So look, I don't know what you guys are up to, but let's say you want to go out and you don't want this plate on the front of your car. Again, I don't know why. I don't know what you're doing, but you don't want this plate on the front of your car. You're thinking, well, all right, well, what do I do? Well, you go like this. You go like that. It's done. It's off. Look at that. Smooth, nice and clean. No holes, no plate. Awesome. Want to put the plate on? No problem. Stick it back on there, lock it, don't lock it, do whatever you want. So take a look at this thing a little closer. It's really sharp. It's got a real nice design. Some nice knurl on this knob here. Turns real smooth. Fits in there easy. Put it on and off. Give me a few minutes. I'll show you how to put this thing together. Line it up wherever you want, and you'll be good to go. I'm real happy with this. Highly recommended. And finally, I'll be driving my Tesla within the confines of the law. All the links below. Don't forget the discount code TESLAMARK. Try it out. Works just about everywhere. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, instructions, which you don't need because you got me. Okay. The keys. All right, bracket. Feels good, looks nice. Yeah, this is sharp. Looks like we got some good quality here. Like the knurling on here, that's nice. Feels smooth. Oh, even comes with a screwdriver. Okay, first thing, make sure you've got all your parts. Make sure you've got all these caps here, 8 or 4 and 4. 4 of these bigger screws, 5 of these smaller ones, and then 4 of these nuts. Something that's pretty cool here. So right now this is unlocked and you can turn it, and what it does is it adjusts these tensioners here. You can see these moving. You can move them both ways. And then check this out. When you lock it, you can only turn this one direction. So if you see, it's only going to make this tighter. You can't loosen it. So once you get it in there, you lock it, you can tighten it up and can't undo it at that point. I wasn't sure how this locking mechanism was going to work, so that's kind of a neat solution. So they tell you to actually put it this way with this side up, so the plate will kind of be up in, you know, this high. But, you know, if you wanted to put the plate lower, you could reverse this and put it down here. Now, does that mean you're going to obstruct some airflow into here? Well, yeah, it does. But anyway, you do have that choice. But let's start putting it together the way that they call for. Also, just so you know, these are in here. They do say in the instructions that these potentially could fall off in shipping, so check the box if you don't see them in here. But yeah, this is pretty simple. Take these smaller screws. Okay, so you can see here too that this lines up with this center piece here.